If you have your FireStick with you, if you have connected your FireStick to a TV, then how can you simply watch live channels, watch local channels, and watch the normal TV channels through your FireStick? For this, I have already noted down some of the best steps for you in this field that if you have a Fire Stick but don't have a TV provider, you can still access TV content through various streaming services. The Fire Stick allows you to stream content from popular platforms such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus. To access TV content without a TV provider, connect your Fire Stick to your TV, then set up your Fire Stick. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Fire Stick. This includes connecting to your Wi-Fi network and signing in with your Amazon account. Now install the streaming apps. Once your Fire Stick is set up, you can browse and install various streaming apps from the Amazon App Store like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and Disney Plus. The fourth step is sign into your preferred streaming service. After installing the streaming app, launch the app you want to use and sign in with your account's credentials. That's all. Start watching TV content. Once you're signed in, you can browse through the available TV shows, movies, and other content offered by the streaming service. Use the Fire Stick remote to navigate and select the content you want to watch. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.